kids, I'm Kathy.
And I'm Micah. We're here today to talk to you about birds. So Kathy, what bird are we going to start with?
How about we start with the kestrel? It's such a cool bird, and I happen to have one right here.
Is that a real bird?
It is a real bird. Of course, it's not alive anymore, but it once was. And then when it died, someone took its guts out, and I know, yay. And then they stuffed it with cotton so that we could use it in classrooms so children can get up close and personal with a kestrel.
Wow, that's amazing. Wait, so tell me about this kestrel.
Well, a kestrel is a falcon, and it is our smallest falcon. And it's a bird of prey. So that means it's a hunter. It uses its talons and its beak to get its food, and it flies really fast and it dives down to catch songbirds or bats or maybe lizards. And they also like to eat insects like grasshoppers, which makes me really happy because I hate grass.
You know, I actually love grasshoppers, but that's okay. But how do they catch their prey?
Well, they hold the prey, the mouse or the grasshopper, really tight with their strong feet, and then they rip it apart with that sharp hooked bill. Another interesting fact about a kestrel is that they can hover in midair, like this. They go into the wind, and they can stay in one place, flapping their wings in short wing beats, searching around for their prey. Come on, Micah. Come do the kestrel hover with me.
Everybody get up. Let's all do the kestrel hover.
So hover, flap your wings, and you're basically staying in one place, but searching with your eyes for food. And when you see it, you have to act like a kestrel, like a bird of prey, and swoop down and grab it with your talons. Whoosh!
This isn't a bird or a fish or anything, but...
Well, we can pretend.
Okay.
That's a great job.
Well, the kestrel sure is different from the California towhee.
That's true. What does a California towhee eat?
Well, a California towhee eats mostly seeds and insects.
Well, where does it find them?
Well, it finds them on the ground, and it actually does this cool little dance to get at them.
It does a dance?
Yeah. So what they do is they get on the ground, and they shuffle their feet back and forth, and then pick at the ground to find the little insects and bugs that are hiding underneath the dirt that's there. Can you get up and do the towhee dance with me?
You guys want to try that?
Yeah, everybody get up and do the towhee dance.
Okay. So, shuffle. Am I doing it right?
Yeah, you're doing it quite right.
Okay.
And you can go down and pick up some bugs.
Yum.
Yeah.
Oh, this is awesome.
Tasty, right?
I like that dance, Micah. That was fun. Now let's look at another bird that's completely different. It's a coot.
Is that a duck?
You know, it's not a duck, but it is a water bird. So it lives in the same habitat as a duck. But if you look at a duck has like a rounded, flat bill. And now look at the coot's bill. It's sharp and pointy. Not the same.
Oh yeah, I see that. So what do coots eat?
Well, they mainly eat aquatic plants, and so that could be plants on the surface, but it can also be plants under the water.
So if they eat plants that are underwater, then they must know how to dive, right?
They do know how to dive. They're excellent divers, and they also have these really big, unique feet that help propel them underwater.
So if coots spend all their time on the water, where do they nest? Where do they live?
Well, they like to build their nests out of floating vegetation that's right on the lake.
Wow, a floating nest. That's really cool. It's just like a houseboat.
It is like a houseboat. That is a great comparison.
So where can you find coots around here?
Coots are really common, Micah, if you go to a place that has just even a little bit of water, like a small pond or a big lake, you'll find coots. Micah, where would I find towhees around here?
Well, you can find towhees almost anywhere. They like to skid around the ground. Like I said, they do their little dance in the dirt, so you can find them if you look on the ground and look for the towhees there.
Awesome. So maybe in my backyard.
Yeah, they could be in your backyard.
I'm going to go look for towhees in my backyard. Now, the kestrel is going to be a little harder to spot, but I trust you guys. You have good eyes. So if you're looking for a kestrel, you're probably going to be looking up. They like to perch on power poles and power lines and search around for their food. So when you're out and about, be looking up at those poles and power lines, and then also see if you can find any towies and coots while you're out as well. Have fun. Bye.